Hello, hello, hello.
We are here with this My Little Pony set, and they are going to go to the barn because they are ready to go. I'm ready.
Elle, let's introduce the ponies first. Who are they? Who is this one?
I'm Twilight Sparkle. I'll go.
That's Twilight Sparkle. Okay, how about the next one? Who is that?
I am Rarity.
That's Rarity. Okay, how about the yellow one? Fluttershy. Okay, are you shy? How about this one? Who's this one?
I am the fastest flower in the world, Rainbow Dash.
That's Rainbow Dash. Okay, how about this one, the pink one? Oops.
Oh, I'm Pinkie Pie.
So this one is Pinkie Pie. This one is Pinkie Pie. How about this one?
I'm Princess Celestia.
Princess Celestia. Okay.
I am not shy at all.
Okay. Oh, wait, it looks like we're missing
Applejack.
Applejack. Okay, so we have Applejack here, still in the bag.
Yeah, but we're gonna open it.
Okay, let's open. We got this from where? From Walmart. Okay, let's open it. So let's see. This is for 3 and up.
Open it. Applejack, I'm so glad you're here. I'm so excited. She's very cute, isn't she?
Let's remove the rubber band on her leg. And this is Applejack. Oh, let's see. Why is she called Applejack? Oh, there's a... Oh, because look at her cutie marks. She has apples, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's remove her tail because her tail's on the back. There we go.
Yeah,
Looks better.
okay, there you go. You untangled her tail. Okay, so now we have Applejack also.
Wee-haw! Howdy, critters!
Alright, let's put Applejack here.
Yeah, I'm so cute. Oh, Applejack, nice to see you. Hi. Oh, I'm glad to see you in this party. Me too, me too, me three.
Are they having a party?
Yeah, I'm ready to have a party. So let's go in. The party fans. Okay, let's go in. Oh, look, there's fruits on here and vegetables. Come on, let's go in. Ooh, there's corn, there's carrots. Come on, guys, let's go in and go shopping with the shopping cart. Where's the shopping cart? Oh, in there.
Oh, they're gonna go shopping? Okay.
Let's go shopping.
So we have... Who is that pushing the shopping cart? So it looks like Princess Celestia will get us some more Play-Dohs. Oh, there is Princess Celestia. Did she go shopping? Okay, it looks like Princess Celestia did some shopping and got us some more Play-Doh. Okay. Alright, Elle, let's open this Play-Doh.
I'll make something perfect for Applejack. We can make a hat for Applejack.
Okay.
Wait, that's super good.
Alright, let's make some hat.
Okay. Put it right here. Take one hole. And it looks like Applejack's hat, see?
What kind of hat are we making for Applejack?
Apple hat.
An apple hat? Alright.
With a brown. But it's a blue hat.
Okay.
So let's do apple. It's kind of like a smooth apple shape. What are you doing to that little hat? Hey, I already did a
So here we'll make a hat for Applejack.
This is a hat now. There we go. And it's not done yet. Wait, first, again, roll it into a ball, smooth ball, and then smush it. And then it's very fun to smush, but it has little cracks. Okay, so let's smush the little cracks. Boop, boop. Okay, it looks like an apple hat, but something's missing. A hole. Now it looks like Applejack's hat.
Wow, that's a nice hat.
Fluttershy will smush the apple. This apple is bit from a bat.
Nice hat. Look at that.
I smushed the apple. This, I'll make a bit in apple. This is bitten from a bat, guys. Smush it with this, like this. It's not fair. It simply is a fact. It's not so fair. It's not back. Stump that back. Stump that back. Stump that back and stump that back. It's fair. It's not simple and fact. It's not so blurry and it's not so bad. My eyes is so clear. Bye. See you next time.